friends, welcome back to my channel Techie World. Now in this video we are going to learn about expressions and operators in JavaScript. Friends, expression is a combination of operand and operator, and it will perform the expression on the basis of whatever operand and operator you have provided. For example, on the screen you can see as the operand we have 20 and 5, and the operator over here is the addition symbol. So the output of this expression over here will be 25. Now friends, instead of this addition symbol, addition operator, you can use some other operator also. So friends, in JavaScript we have 5 types of operators. These are assignment operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, and string operators. So now let's learn about all these operators in detail. Friends, now I am on my VS Code, and over here let's understand our first type of operator, that is assignment operator. Friends, assignment operator is used to assign some value to a variable. For example, let's say we have a variable over here where num equals to, let's say, 20. So friends, over here what will happen is our value, that is 20, will get assigned to our variable, that is num. So here friends, this num is our left hand side operand, and this 20, that is our value, is our right hand side operand. So always whenever it comes to assignment operators, the right hand side operand will get assigned to our left hand side operand. So friends, over here if I'll check the output of this, log enter num, and now let me open my terminal, new terminal, and node operators.js, and first of all let me save this, and now you can see I got 20 over here because the value of num will be 20. So friends, now let's understand the second type of operator, that is arithmetic operator. So friends, over here first of all let me comment these 2 lines, and now we are going to start with arithmetic operators. So let me comment this one also, and over here let me create a variable where a equals 10, where b equals 20, where c equals a arithmetic operator, that is addition, plus b, and over here friends, console.log enter c. I will save this. I'll check the output. You can see I'm getting 30 over here. So friends, now here you can see that we have the arithmetic operator addition over here, and the operand are a and b. So this b over here is the right hand side operand and a is the left hand side operand, and the operation over here is to add these 2 operands. Okay, so we are getting 30. So same way friends, what we can do is we can also instead of addition we can put subtraction, and over here the output will be 10. Similarly, multiplication, let me save this, and you'll see that the output will be 600 because 30 into 20 is 600 over here. And division symbol, so this is the division symbol over here, and you will see that it is 1.5 because 30 divided by 20 is 1.5. and similarly let me put 20 or 6 over here and 2 over here. So now the output will be straightforward, that is 3, because 2 3 is 6. And friends, over here we have one more operator, that is in arithmetic operators we have one more operator, that is a modular operator. So I'll show you how it works. So modular operator is our this symbol. So this symbol over here is known as modular operator. So let me save this, and you can see that I'm getting 1 over here. So now you might think that why we are getting 1. So the reason behind this is because we are getting the remainder. So 2 3 are 6 and the 1 over here, because this is 7. So 2 3 are 6 and 1 is our remainder. So you can see that we are getting 1 over here. So friends, now let's understand about increment and decrement operators. Friends, increment and decrement operators themselves have their two types, which are postfix and prefix. Now first let's understand about increment operator. Friends, whenever we use increment operator, number one gets added to whatever variable we have provided. For example, let's say over here we have a variable with name A, and value 10 is assigned to this variable A. Now when we will use this this increment operator for this variable A, then number 1 will get added to this variable A, and the value or the output of this variable A will be 11 over here now. So friends, similarly, if we use decrement operator, what happens is number 1 gets subtracted from the whatever value we have provided to our variable. Now over here the symbol of increment operator is plus plus, and the symbol of decrement operator is minus minus, that is subtraction symbol, and the addition symbol. Now what about their two types, which are postfix and prefix? So friends, let's take an example to understand this. So over here friends, let's take a variable, so variable A, and assign it a value of 10. Now friends, we'll increment this variable A, and at the same time we'll store it in a new variable. So over here let's take a new variable, that is variable B, and at the same time we'll increment it and store A in this variable B. Okay, so over here what will be our expected result? So our expected result will be that A will get incremented by 1, so the value will be 11, and the output will be 11 only. So friends, when we are compiling this code, we are not getting 11, we are getting 10 only. But when we will use prefix at the same condition, prefix incrementation operator, we will get 11. So now friends, the difference between these two is, in postfix what happens is, first the expression is performed, means whatever expression you have provided, it will be performed, then the value will be incremented. But over here you can see that we are first assigning the value of A into the variable B, then we are incrementing it. But in prefix, first it will be incremented, then only whatever expression, if you have some provided some expression, then it will be performed. So friends, I hope you understood about this incrementing of the two types of incrementation operator. These are postfix and prefix. So same thing works with decrementation also, but instead of incrementing 1, it will decrease 1. Okay, so I hope you understood about this. So friends, now let's do a practical of increment and decrement operators. So over here I will create a variable, I will name it, and I will assign it a value of 10, and over here I will increment it and log A. I'll save this, and before saving this, let me comment all these things, and now I'll again save this and compile the code. You can see now I'm getting 11, because over here the value inside A is 10, and here we are incrementing it. So as I told you, it will be incremented by 1, and the output is 11 over here. You can see that. Now friends, plus plus A. So friends, this is the prefix increment operator, and the other one is postfix increment operator. So let's see what happens over here. So friends, over here also you can see the output is same. Now what we'll do is A minus minus minus. I'll save this, you can see that I'm getting 9 because 10 minus 1 is 9. And the same way, prefix decrement operator, you can see I'm again getting 9. Now let's see what is the difference over here. Now we'll do a practical of postfix and prefix also to see the difference clearly. So over here, where b equals a plus plus, let me save this, and node operator dot js, and here instead of a it should be b. Let me save this now. Now let me compile the code. You can see that I'm getting 10 over here. So friends, the output is not the same which we were getting as this, but it is 10 only. So friends, the reason behind this, as I told you, that first over here in postfix increment operator, what it will do is, first it will perform whatever expression we have given, then it will increment it. But if it is prefix increment operator over here, first it will increment the variable, then it will assign over here. So you can see now the output is 11. So same works for decrement also, but instead of increasing 1, it will decrease 1. So you can see I'm getting 10 over here also, but in prefix the output will be 9. Okay, so you can see I'm getting 9 over here. So friends, now we understood about arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators we understood about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and all these operators which are increment, decrement, and there are two types. So friends, now let's move to our next operator, which are comparison operators. Friends, now let's understand about comparison operators. Friends, comparison operators are used to compare two values or variables. So over here, first we'll understand about the difference between double equal to and triple equal to. So over here, first I'll create a variable, or I'll just copy it from here, and I'll create one more variable b equals to, let's say, 20, and here log wait a second, log is a double equal to b. So now over here what it means is a equal to b. So let's see what is our output. And one more thing friends, whenever we will compare two variables or value, the output will be in boolean values. Boolean values means true or false. Okay, so over here you can see I'm getting false because 10 is not equal to 20, so a is not equal to b. But if it is 10 over here, then the output will be true, because yes, a is equal to b, that is 10 is equal to 10. So over here friends, now let's see what is our output when we'll compare it with triple equal to. So is a triple equal to b, then the output will be true, yes, they are equal. And if it is not equal also, it will say that false. So you can see now I'm getting the output as false. So friends, now you will say that no, there's no difference like this, but let me show what is the difference. So now friends, what I'll do is I'll write this in double quotes. So now friends, it will become string. String means, string is used to write words, means alphabets A, B, C, and you can say letters. So over here what I'll do is a double equal to b, and here friends it will say as true, false. False. And if I will write 10 over here, then it will say that yes, a is equal to b, that is 10 is equal to 10. Now friends, if I'll do triple equal to, you will see that the output is false. So here friends, you can see that 10 is equal to 10. Then why it is showing false? The reason behind this is because we have written this, or you can say assigned this 10 in form of string. String means a word. Then the triple equal to will say that how you can compare a number, this is a number, and a string. A string means a word. So over here it will say false because a number 10 is not equal to a string 10. Okay, so let me remove this string that is double quotes, and you will see that the output will be true over here. So over here we understood that double equal to only compares the values, but whereas this triple equal to compares the data type also. So data type means the type of data you have assigned to this variable. So here it was string, so whenever we write a number, or you can say word, in double quotes, it will become a string, whereas we can write a number like this only without any modification or changes. But here when we have to write a word, we need to put this double quotes so that it will become a string. So over here friends, in triple equal to it will compare the data type, whereas in double equal to it will only compare the values. So friends, I hope you understood this. Now what we'll do is we'll understand this greater than and less than. Okay, so this is the greater than symbol and this is the less than symbol. So first let's understand greater than. So friends, over here what we are comparing is A greater than B? So first let me remove this and let it be 5 over here. So is A greater than B? So let's see what is the output. You can see I'm getting true because yes, 10 is greater than 5. But if it is 20 over here, you can see that, and now the output is false. No, 10 is not greater than 20. But is 10 less than 20? Yes, of course it is. So our output will be true over here. Now friends, let's understand the greater than or equal to, or you can say that is A greater than or equal to B. Is A greater than or equal to B. So if it is 10 over here and we have not put in this equal to symbol over here, then what will happen is it will say as false. No, 10 is not greater than 10. But if this equal to is there, then it will say as true, because yes, it is not greater than but it is equal to. So same over here, is A less than or equal to B? The output will be true, because yes, it is not less than but it is equal to. So friends, I hope you understood this, that is greater than equal to, less than equal to. Understand about not equal to. So this is the symbol of not equal to. So over here let's see what is our output. So our output is false. So over here what it means is A not equal to B, but here A is equal to B, so it will say false because A is equal to B. And here we are asking it that is A not equal to B, so it will be obviously false because A is equal to B. Now over here what we can do is, if it is 20, and now let's check the output. So it will say yes, true, because A is not equal to B, because A is 20 and B is 10, so they are not equal. So it will say yes, true, they are not equal. So friends, now we have understood about all the comparison operators. So now let's move to our next operator, which are logical operators. So friends, now let's learn about logical operators. Friends, logical operators have their three types, which are logical AND operator, logical OR operator, and logical NOT operator. Friends, this logical OR and logical AND operators are used to combine two conditions, and the output of these conditions will be single in Boolean values. Now over here we are comparing, you can see that we are comparing two variables. Same in our logical AND OR operators, what we'll do is we'll compare this type of two conditions. Okay, so over here this not logical operator is used to reverse the output of true and false. If the output is true over here, then the output will be reversed and the output it will show the output as false, and if it is false, then the output will be again reversed and it will show the output as true. So over here let's understand it with the example. So here I'll create a variable, or what I can do is I can just copy these things, copy, comment, oh wait a second, copy, comment, and let me save this, and over here I'll paste everything, and over here what I'll do is A greater than B, and here I'll use the AND operator. So this is a simple symbol of AND operator, which is above the number 7 in your keyboard. So over here what I'll do is I'll write one more condition, that is A less than B. So here we can see that A is greater than B, so this condition is true, but here the A is less than B, then this condition is false. So what our AND operator will do is it will take this as true, and it will take this as false, and the whole output of this expression will be false, because AND operator says that if the output of this whole expression is true, means if both our conditions are true, then only the output will be true. But if one condition is false, then the output will be false only. Okay, now let me save this, and if I'll check this, you can see I'm getting false. But if here I'll change this, so you will see that again it is false. And wait a second, double equal to, is A equal to B, is A greater than B, or is A double equal to B. Now let me save this, and you will see that the output is true over here, because both of our conditions are true. Now friends, over here the OR operator says that if one condition is also true, let's say if this condition over here is A greater than B, but over here A is not greater than B, it is equal, and here A is equal to B, so here only or this condition is true, this is false. But the OR operator says that if one condition is also true, the output will be true only. So over here you will see that we are getting the output as true. So this is the symbol of our OR operator. Now let's see what our NOT operator does over here. So over here I'll put NOT operator. So this is the symbol of NOT operator, not logical operator actually. So over here let me save this, and if I'll check the output, you can see that now I'm getting false, but let me put this in bracket. Okay, and now let me save this, and you will see the output is true over here. So this NOT operator changes the result, means if the output is false, if the condition's output is false, the NOT operator will change it to true, and if the output of this condition is true, then it will change it to false. Okay, so if it is, let's say, true, because A is equal to B, then what it will do is, you can see that now I'm getting false over here, because it always reverses the output of the condition. So friends, now we have learned about the this logical operators. So now let's move to our next type of operators, which are string operators. Friends, now let's learn about string operators. Friends, in string operator we have one operator which is concatenation operator, which is used to concatenate two strings. So over here let's understand this with the example. So log, let's say we have a string over here vir, and over here this is known as the concatenation operator over here, and let's say techie. Okay, now let me save this, and over here friends you will see the answer as vir techie, and before that let me comment this all these things, and now you will see the output as vir techie. Now friends, over here let's say we want a space between this, So what we can do is, over here we can give a space, and you will see that you will get a space over here also. And now friends, here is one interesting thing, that with this string over here, if you will concatenate one number also over here, let's say string number 9, so it will get concatenated. You can see vir 9. Okay, so friends, this is what is string operators. So friends, in this video we have covered all these operators, which are assignment operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, string operators. So friends, I hope you understood about all these types of operators. So I'll meet you in next video with some new JavaScript topics. Until then, be connected. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.